Concrete cancer plaguing backyard pools across Central Texas, costing homeowners their backyard dreams and putting builders and contractors out of business.
It's a story the KVUE Defenders have been covering for almost a year now, looking at how it's affecting homeowners, builders, subcontractors, even the real estate market. KVUE's Darynisha Heron joins us now in the studio to look at its impact on insurance coverage. Darynisha?
Brian, Quita, we've shown you how pools built between 2017 and 2023 are at risk of alkali silica reaction, or ASR, now more commonly known as concrete cancer. It can make your pool unusable, and experts say it can't be fixed, only rebuilt. Its impact on homeowners and the local economy has been wide-reaching. And now, legal experts say this lawsuit filed in federal court could determine whether insurance companies should cover the cost of its damage. An empty pool is no fun.
Oh, yeah.
These kiddos grew up splashing around in it. But now it's only a memory of what were once good times.
A lot of swimming.
The pool recently had to be drained.
It's very frustrating. Basically goes across the entire backside of the pool.
Early last year, Chris Fulbright of Cedar Park joined the masses of Central Texans impacted by ASR, alkali silica reaction, now commonly known as concrete cancer.
If you've had a pool built during the last 7 years or have plans to build one, you might want to listen up.
As we've shown since spring of last year, the defect makes concrete in pools unstable within years or even months of being built. Experts say concrete cancer happens when concrete isn't mixed properly or lacks a material called fly ash. Water actually makes the concrete expand and crack, and in most cases, the only way to fix it is to demolish the pool and completely rebuild at double, even triple, the original cost of construction.
The amount of money we're already just losing sitting here staring at it, I could have probably ripped it out.
Fulbright paid Cody Pools more than $100,000 to build the pool in 2020. A few years later, he moved his family into a different home with the intent of renting this one out, but
no one really wants to rent a pool when it's empty. Or, you have to disclose that it could be under construction, it could be ripped out. You have to discount rent.
He's been unsure of next steps. He says Cody Pools initially told him it began the insurance claim process.
Month after month of no response, no engagement, no details, no follow through.
So he sued Cody Pools last May, which according to the lawsuit, guarantees customers the delivery of a structurally sound pool.
I paid for a pool in 2020. It's supposed to have a lifetime warranty. I'd like a working pool.
He says Cody Pools recently offered to make repairs, but hasn't proposed completely removing and replacing the pool.
Anything you read anywhere and everywhere, once the concrete has these conditions, it's bad concrete. So feels like we're probably just delaying yet another round of pain.
But now there's a twist. Cody Pools is being sued by its insurance provider, the Continental Insurance Company and National Fire Insurance Company of Hartford, or CNA, over several concrete cancer claims Cody Pools made, including Fulbright's pool.
Insurance companies, especially commercial general liability carriers, try to do what they can to not pay claims.
Fulbright's attorney, Joshua Wilson, has numerous concrete cancer cases and thinks the insurance suit will only prolong frustrations for people like Fulbright.
It's going to slow down coverage, obviously, for the pool builder. And if the pool builder doesn't have the funds to go in and remediate the damage and they're waiting on an insurance payout, obviously that slows things down.
In his lawsuits against Cody Pools, the insurance company is asking the court to decide if it should cover the damage, stating it has no obligation to defend or indemnify Cody Pools because its policies exclude coverage for property damage arising out of the actual or alleged presence of silica. And Cody Pools' answer and counterclaim states CNA reneged on its promises and representations of Cody Pools, claiming that the insurance policies did not provide coverage for pools in which the presence of ASR had been detected. And the very information that CNA had assured Cody Pools was necessary to defend and promptly resolve customer claims would instead be used as the basis to deny coverage.
There's a reason they did a core sample there because there was a crack right through it.
According to the terms in that answer, it looks like the insurance companies used that against Cody in an effort to try to deny coverage.
We also reached out to Cody Pools. The company said in a statement, "We hope the Western District of Texas, if not CNA, will realize the coverage positions asserted by CNA are both illogical and deeply unfair to its clients and to homeowners who have pools impacted by the situation. Wilson says the outcome of this case could have a broad effect.
So you have this coverage decision pending, and all of the other insurance companies that have this exclusion on their policies are watching this case and seeing which way it's going to go before they pay out, more than likely.
I don't think it'll play out well for anybody.
And while Chris Fulbright patiently waits, he isn't optimistic.
I think we're all gonna get the short end of the stick some way or another.
He's hoping their warranty isn't an empty promise. Wilson says he doesn't think the federal court decision will come anytime soon. We found other court cases where insurance companies are trying to avoid paying for damage caused by concrete cancer or covering the cost of settling lawsuits. Of course, we'll keep following this story. For the KVUE Defenders, I'm Darynisha Heron.